How to make your hair thicker. Many people suffer with thin hair and hair loss, and it can be caused for many reasons, but it's likely to happen to many of us during our lifetime, especially as we get older. But did you know there is a great home remedy that can help slow down this process? And in this video we explain how you can use a natural plant that is readily available everywhere, so it's basically a free remedy. And everyone likes free, right? So keep watching until the end, as once we've explained the health benefits, we'll then explain how to make the remedy. So what is the plant? Well, it's a stinging nettle. And stinging nettle has been used to treat and prevent hair loss for many years. In fact, it's one of the oldest recorded natural remedies. And it can provide health benefits to both your hair and scalp. And it's been proven to reduce a dry, itchy scalp as well as dandruff. And stinging nettle has natural astringent properties, and astringents are great for treating skin issues such as greasy skin, dry, itchy and inflamed skin due to insect bites, chickenpox and even eczema. And stinging nettle can also help with hair loss. Stinging nettles contain a high amount of sulfur and silica, which can help improve hair health by strengthening the hair shaft. They also have potent anti-inflammatory properties and can help treat skin burns and even reduce the visibility of burn-related scars. So how do you make a remedy? The easiest way to obtain the benefit of stinging nettles is by making a nettle tea. Basically, collect a cupful of nettle leaves with as little stem as possible, and be careful not to get stung, so make sure you wear gloves. Then wash the nettle leaves, put them in a saucepan and add a teaspoon of honey. This will help to sweeten the taste. Then add 4 cups of water. Put the pan on the hob, bring to the boil and then simmer for 15 minutes. Then strain the tea and drink. And that's it. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.